To create your Google account, first of all you have to click on create account, then you have to click on for my personal use. Now this screen will be appear, and here you have to write first name and last name. The last name is optional and you have to write the first name. The name of my channel is Operatify, so I will write Operatify. Then click on next. Now it will ask for your birth date. You have to write here birth date and make sure that the year you are writing that must be less than 2003. Then you have to write the gender of yours and then click on next. Now here is an option to choose your email or to make your own custom address. I will click on custom Operatify. Then click on next. Then you have to make your password. I will make my password, then I have to confirm your password. If both are same, then you have to click on next. After clicking on next, it will ask for your mobile number, and before mobile number you can add your recovery email address just in case, and if you don't want, then you can just click on skip and next. Now you have to click on I agree, and then your account will be created. So as you can see, the account is created by Operatify, and this is how you can easily create your Gmail account.